A safety plan gives the big picture for your project's safety. Signs that you have a problem with your safety plan include the following. Your safety plan is just a big pile of unrelated documents rather than a structured argument and evidence that demonstrates that your system is safe. Your safety plan does not address software integrity, meaning that it generally assumes the software is perfect and deals primarily with hardware faults. Your safety plan does not link to a relevant safety standard, but rather makes up its own approach to safety. Finally, you have a problem if your safety plan does not at least link to a security plan, because an insecure system is usually an unsafe system. While the details differ depending on your application domain, a safety plan generally starts with a safety standard that is compatible with your application. Within the framework of that safety standard, you complete multiple cycles of the following sets of elements. Hazards are identified and assigned risk levels. Safety goals are created and linked to safety strategies and more detailed safety requirements. And mitigation approaches for hazards are proposed, and analysis determines whether those mitigation strategies meet the stated safety goals. In the typical case, this analysis leads to identification of additional hazards or adjustment of risk levels or the need for additional safety goals. Thus, you end up with a multi-iteration cycle until the hazards, goals, and analysis all converge. During this process, a safety case is created to document the framework for the other parts of the safety plan and results in the end in a methodical argument about system safety. That includes why the system is safe, what about the system is safe, and why an external reviewer should believe that the safety case is both complete and correct.